Hi guys, and welcome back to Bob's Corner. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for subscribing, your liking, your sharing, your wonderful comments. Everything, guys. God reminds you every day. Well guys, let me look at you. Let me look deep within. I see there's something in all of you guys. God sees. He sees it with your eyes. He sees it every day in all of us. As I stand and I'll rise and I'll keep going, guys. Not for you. Not even for the government or any person within. I talk to God. I'm with Jesus, the angels, and heaven itself. With everything that's going on right now, God chose you that path. You chose it together. And I stand for God, for Jesus, the angels and heaven itself. And no one on this plane will ever see what I see. I went through the shadow. I went through death. I went through the good. And I went through the evil. But still, God's showing me something. A path within an inner path. And no one defies the Lord, Jesus, or the angels. Take it from me, guys. If you don't do the path within, trust me, guys, He'll show you in His own way. You just got to look into yourselves. Look deep within your soul. And then God will remind you who you are in the end. And it takes one moment, one realisation that God sent you here. And that's it. With all our hearts and mind, we've decreed this in Amen in heaven.